Hello, my name is Mark Petrika, and I'm an analytics engineer at Seeq. In this video, I will show how Seeq's AI Assistant makes content generation in Seeq easier than ever before. We will show how a Seeq user can take an idea and go from raw data to an operationalized analysis in minutes. I will start in Seeq Workbench, Seeq's no-code analytics application. In this analysis, we are looking at flow rates for a unit that make up the boundary mass balance. We can perform a host of analysis here, but what if we wanted to make a flow diagram? Seeq Workbench doesn't have any out-of-the-box visualizations for flow diagrams. Well, fortunately, Seeq does have a Jupyter Lab Python environment, and after doing some research, I have found that a Plotly Sankey diagram would make the perfect visualization. Using Seeq Data Lab, I can create a custom application called an add-on, which can run code to perform a specific task. In this case, we will make an add-on that pulls data from our Seeq Workbench analysis and uses it to populate our Sankey flow diagram via an interactive Dash app. I have already configured the app initialization, the data pull, and the run command, but what if I don't know how to write the code to convert the data into a Dash Sankey diagram? This is where Seeq's AI Assistant can be extremely helpful. The AI Assistant that lives in Seeq Data Lab is specifically focused on Python coding assistants, but we have built generative AI assistants into all Seeq applications, aimed at delivering information when the user needs it and helping them convert natural language requests into Seeq content. To use the assistant, I can simply insert my prompt and execute. Here, I have requested that the assistant develop code to convert my data into a Sankey diagram with custom configuration options. For this example, I have combined the request into one prompt for simplicity. But when working with generative AI, it is best practice to simply have a conversation. Start with a basic request and build into a more complex workflow. Seeq's AI Assistant has a memory of the conversation, and you can pull up the old conversations at any point in time to pick up where you left off. Once the assistant is done generating my code, I can simply inject it from the chat interface into my Python notebook. The AI assistant is really good at what it does, but it isn't perfect, so it's always a good idea to review code before running it to ensure that it meets your intent. In this case, the code looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and execute. When I do, I can see my custom Dash Sankey diagram was created to my specification, and I can use the interface to build out my mass balance diagram to my liking. To empower the rest of my organization with this custom application, I can package it up into what we call an add-on in Seeq. I won't cover the add-on packaging process, but I will link to our knowledge base in the description to guide you through that process. Once made, the add-on can be accessed in any Seeq Workbench by any user or group that I have granted access. Once I have this application, I can configure and visualize it in Seeq Workbench or insert it into a report or dashboard I have created in Seeq Organizer to share the visualization with my broader organization. Throughout this example, I have shown how you can extend Seeq's capability through custom application development and how Seeq's AI Assistant makes that process easier than ever before, drastically reducing development time, allowing your organization to better leverage your data. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through your account team or contact us at Seeq.com.